Welcome to Office 24 by 7. In today's video, we'll take you through the Contact Management module and show how it works within the platform. This module acts as the central hub for storing, organizing, and tracking all customer and individual contact profiles. It consolidates every important detail, maps each interaction, and connects seamlessly with related records, helping your team maintain complete visibility across the entire customer lifecycle. Let's start by exploring how the Contacts panel is configured. Here I've opened the Contacts object under the Sales module. You can see essential details like the contact ID, title, full name, email ID, phone number, department, job title, contact status, address, and contact owner. All these are custom fields, which means they can be completely tailored to match your business workflow or industry-specific terminology. To add a new field, click on the vertical ellipsis beside any column name and select the Add Column option. You can then choose the field type and configure it according to your requirements. For example, I'm selecting the Phone field type and creating a new field called Alternative Contact Number. I'll provide a short description and adjust the settings to match my preferences. Existing fields can also be modified. Let's say I want to rename the primary email column. I click Edit Column, rename it to Contact Email ID, and enable the Is Required option to make it mandatory. This ensures that no record can be saved without a valid email address, maintaining data quality and consistency across the system. One of the most powerful features in Office 24 by 7 is the Lookup field, which allows you to connect contacts with other objects such as accounts, leads, deals, and tickets. This interlinking ensures that all related activities are visible in one place, giving you a complete 360-degree view of the contact's relationship within your ecosystem. To create a lookup field, the process is similar to adding any other field. You click on the ellipsis, choose Add Column, and select Lookup. In the configuration screen, you can define the relationship type, such as one-to-many, and then choose the module and object you want to link. For example, you might link contacts to the Accounts module by selecting the account object and a specific field like account name. After that, you can set the delete behavior and move on to the column configuration. Let's take a look at a lookup field I've already set up. I created one called Account Name. This lets me link a contact to the account it's related to. For example, when I select a contact and open the Details tab, under the Related section, I can see all the account information linked to it, like account ID, name, type, and owner. Now, if we switch over to the Accounts object and open any Records Details tab, you'll find the same connection reflected in the Referred In section under Contacts. You can see all contacts associated with that specific account. Similarly, I've created a lookup field called First Touch Lead Display for fetching the lead ID from the Leads object. This connects lead data with the contact record, and you can view this linked information in the Related tab as well. You can even maintain a reporting structure among contacts within the same account using a lookup field like Reports To, which links one contact to another. This is especially useful for mapping hierarchical relationships such as manager and subordinate. Through these lookup integrations, Office 24 by 7 gives you complete visibility of every contact's touchpoints across multiple objects. So whether it's a lead, an account, or a deal, you always see the full relationship in one place. Now, let's create a new contact. Click on Add Record and enter the details. For instance, I'll add the contact name as John Doe, title as Mr., job title as Marketing Manager, and set the contact status as New. Then, I'll enter the primary phone, email, and address. I'm linking this contact with an existing account by selecting the account name from the lookup field. Once I fill in all the required details, I click Submit, and the new contact appears instantly in the contacts list, and a notification appears in the panel for the assigned user, based on our predefined criteria. If you want to know in detail how to set these notifications and reminders, watch the video provided in the link above or in the description. When I open the Details tab of this contact, I can see all the associated account information. Likewise, if I go to the account object, I'll find this contact listed under the Referred In section, showing that the linkage has been successfully established. You can also link this contact to deals, tickets, or other related records. This helps your team navigate between connected objects effortlessly. Each contact record can hold additional fields such as communication preferences, preferred contact method, like WhatsApp, email, or phone, last activity date, and consent-based options like opt-in or opt-out for emails, WhatsApp, and DNC. Drop-downs like buying role, seniority, or persona can also be configured to match your organization's sales or marketing classification strategy. Every contact has a History tab where you can see a full activity timeline, covering calls, messages, emails, and updates. You can even perform actions directly from the record itself. For instance, from the Activity tab, you can send emails, initiate WhatsApp messages, or make calls directly. All interactions are automatically logged into the activity history, ensuring every touchpoint remains documented and transparent. Contacts can be assigned to users manually by selecting them in the Assigned To field or automatically using automation flows. For example, when a contact's status changes to Converted, you can trigger an automation to create a new lead from that contact and assign it to a sales executive. You can also set automations where, when an inbound call is received, a new contact is automatically created in the system. You can learn more about creating automation flows and execution rules using the links provided above or in the video description. Office 24by7 also offers advanced filters and custom views that make it easy to organize your data. Multiple conditions can be applied to filters using columns and operators. Once configured, you can save them as custom views like Contacts by Department or Contacts by Account. For instance, you can quickly view active contacts, inactive contacts, or My Contacts, which are the filter views that I've already created and saved in my panel. To suit different preferences, the Contacts module provides 3 viewing options. The table view gives you a clean summary layout with the ability to rearrange columns through drag and drop. The Kanban view groups contacts visually in the form of grids by status, job title, or assignee. And the full-page view presents a detailed overview of each contact, showing all linked data, history, and related records in one place. For performance insights, Office 24by7 comes with reports and dashboards that visualize contact engagement, consent compliance, and overall relationship metrics. Reports like the Engagement by Persona, Buyer Committee Map, and DNC Compliance Report give valuable insights into contact activity and communication efficiency. We've also built a contact management dashboard that displays real-time insights through widgets such as user-wise inactive contacts, status-wise contacts, active contacts, and high-value contacts. Each widget is customizable, allowing you to focus on what matters most, be it agent productivity, contact health, or conversion trends. If you'd like to learn how to customize widgets, check out the tutorial link provided in the description. In summary, the Contact Management module in Office 24by7 gives your team one unified workspace to manage customer relationships end-to-end. By linking contacts with accounts, leads, and deals, your team gains complete visibility into every interaction. Built-in communication tools like email, WhatsApp, and calls ensure seamless engagement, while reports and dashboards help you make data-driven decisions. With Office 24by7, managing contacts isn't just about storing information. It's about understanding relationships, improving coordination, and building stronger customer connections.